So we're down here in Forest Hill in southeast London. This is another project we're currently working on. So what we're doing on this project is we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork on the front of the property, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Done some samples for the customer yesterday, some tuck pointing, some flush samples and some penny roll samples. So the customer is going for the penny roll finish. So all of the front is going to be repointed in a penny roll finish. Going to be decoration to all of the stonework on the front of the property, getting all the loose flaky paint off, restoring all the stonework and redecorating all of the stonework. On the side of the property we are replacing this roof here, so that's going to be a new internal slate roof, doing new downpipes and gutters around the whole house. Upstairs, same sort of thing. All the lads have cut out all of the pointing and cleaned all of the brickwork, so they'll start that tomorrow, start all of the penny roll pointing throughout. On the side of the property we are repointed, well, we have repointed all of the brickwork in a flush finish. So gone for a pigmented mortar on the side of the house. As you can see, blends in really well with the unclean brickwork. Going all the way down with the pointing, all of the way through here, all of the back of the house as well. Changing all of these gutters to a nice 6-inch deep flow gutter, new downpipes. Taken all of the paint off all of the brickwork on the back of the property, repointed all of that, changing all of the course of brickwork running underneath the 49 tiles there, replacing all of these loose bricks all around the top of the arch, some restoration work to the stonework here as well, checking all of the gutters on the top of this, all of the repointing all the way around the side, all being done throughout. Bit of a tight squeeze in there for the lads, but they always manage to get it done. Decoration to window sills, taking all of the paint off the stonework, just some more paint to get off the middle section now. Decoration work to the render above, but so far so good. Lads have been progressing really well here. Still quite a lot left to do, but all's going really well. Customers really happy with how everything's going, and show you some more progress once this front's all repointed, and then we'll start the decoration in a couple of weeks time, and then show you the finished product once it's all done. So another project being finished to the high standard as always. This is going to look really good when it's all finished, and we'll show you how it all comes out in the end. So if you like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Forest Hill in southeast London. This is our project we've been currently working on for around about the last 2 to 3 weeks. It's all ready now just for our decoration and roofing team to come in and finish off the final details. So we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. We've repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. Just climbing up this ladder. Let's give you a little close up of how that all looks. As always, faultless once again. Stonework's now ready to all be painted. We've got fascia board and guttering work to be doing as well, changing this roof as well. Upstairs, same sort of thing, all been repointed throughout. Come out really well. Customers really happy with how everything's turned out, and there's going to be filling all of these blemishes on this stonework, getting all of that lovely and square and decorated. On the side of the house we repointed all of the brickwork in a flush finish, as you can see all the way through there. Back of the house, stripped all of the paint off all of the brickwork. restored all of the arch all of the way through in a penny roll finish. Changed all of the coarser brickwork all the way through underneath the guttering and underneath all of the roof line now. So the roofers are going to come in next, change all of this gutter into a nice 6-inch deep flow, new down pipes throughout. Then the painter can come in and paint all of the stonework, all of the soffits and the fascia up here, all of the arches on the side all being penny rolled. Colours blended in really well now with the original colour brickwork. That's a pigmented mortar. All the arches downstairs, they've all been penny roll pointed too. I'm just here on site now, clearing up all the rubbish, so everything's spotless for the customer while we wait for the next team to come in and do the next phase of the project. So yeah, this has come out really well. Customers really happy with how everything's gone, nice and simple, high quality finish as always, and just looking forward to getting it finished off now. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.